please say something to Korean people.
안녕하세요. 아이스크림 드릴게요. 아이고 맛있겠다. 많이 드릴게요. just wallah. 아드가리. very. 사랑해요. Welcome to Jungle. 사랑해요 코리아. 사랑해요.
와, 진짜 어떻게 이런 산속에다가 모스크를 지을 생각을 했을까? Day 3. I'm on my way to Batumi. 가서 봅시다.
So, which one is the best for you? You are a traveler.
Yeah, city-wise, so difficult. I love France, Paris, because of my friends. Japan is also good.
Yeah.
Tokyo, I love Tokyo. I think Poland is quite underrated.
Poland.
Yeah, because when you get there in summer, the weather is so good, and then people are kind, and then many things are well organized. Argentina is also good. 네, 이제 밥 먹으러 가고 있습니다. 태식교회들은 I'm a digital nomad.
You are not student, after student.
Guess my age.
24.
24? 28.
Tahmin ettim. 34.
36.
40?
A little bit up.
40? 40.
36 down.
35. 35.
Down.
32.
Down.
31.
31 down.
30?
Yeah, 30. Yeah.
Yes.
30 ya.
I'm 20. 120?
Here they have also one drink, Chacha.
Chacha?
Yes.
Is it made of grape too?
From different things,
Uh-huh.
the main course, main thing of Chacha is 50% alcohol.
What? Sounds like rum or vodka.
That's amazing. That
Okay.
burns you, but that fire likes you.
Okay. I'll try it. Bro, when you say about Chacha, you look so happy.
Oh, I love Chacha. You know that movie effect that purple blue balloons when the people drank, it's shown on the TV.
Uh-huh.
I thought it's just a movie effect.
Uh-huh.
I, with my eyes, saw that balloons after I drink Chacha.
Oh, yeah?
So you should try it.
When was the first time you tried it?
5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yes. In Russia they call it samagon.
Samagon? Okay.
Yes.
Samagon.
And when I work in hotel,
Uh-huh.
in the balcony our guests drink something from the bottle.
Mm-hmm.
I said, what you drink? They said samagon. My father did it. Blah blah blah. I jumped in from the balcony. I said, put me one. I love it. And I said, do you have another bottle? Yes. You don't have any more. Give it to me. I take it. Bro, that's the best alcohol I have ever drink.
Really?
Yes.
Chacha.
Chacha.
Oh, okay.
Or samagon in Russia.
Okay.
And samagon means sam means
Uh-huh.
their self, and agon is mean fire. So fire inside.
Fire inside. Oh, this is...
And as I said, that burns you, but
Oh.
you like that fire.
Okay. I'll definitely try it in Batumi. I haven't seen this kind of beach. There's no sand. Everything is just small rock. Sounds interesting. Yeah. Yeah, listen to the sound.